We're ready to take our first variation of Natarajasana. In this variation, the shoulder will be an extension. Bend your right knee and hold your right ankle from the inside out, like that version of Ardha Dhanurasana we just worked on. Now, just like Ardha Dhanurasana, pin the right knee into the midline. Find a steady drishti, a gazing point, somewhere out in front of you to help you with balance. Root down through your left big toe mound and firm your left outer hip into the midline. Now imagine a retaining wall to the outside of your right hip that will prevent your right knee from splaying to the right. With your next inhale, start to take the right thigh back and up. Push the right shin back, take the left arm forward and up. As you press the right shin back, open the right shoulder. Roll the right rib cage forward. Spin the left inner thigh to the ceiling. Keep the lift in the sternum. Stay rooted through your left big toe mound. Take one more inhale here. And then gracefully, steadily, as you exhale, release. That part not so easy. Find Tadasana again. Now in Tadasana, do get a sense of the shoulders and the rib cage square to the short side of your mat. Get a sense of your pelvis square to the short side of your mat. Our goal, it's almost impossible, but it is our effort, our intention, is to try and keep as square as we can towards the short edge of the mat as we head into Natarajasana. Bend your left knee. Hold from the inside out and then drop the left knee. And again, remember that we want the femurs parallel here. Root down through your right big toe mound. Firm your right outer hip into the midline. And then take the left leg back and up. Pin your left knee into the midline any amount more. Press up with the left big toe mound as you press back with your left shin. Many of the actions from Ardha Dhanurasana. Right arm forward and up, palm faces inward. Firm your right tricep in. Now as you pull the left shoulder back, roll the left rib cage forward. Take one more inhale here. As you exhale, release. Come back to Tadasana. Take a moment to find your center, to find your equilibrium.